Hi everybody, my name is Ben Songroth with the Learning Technology Center of Illinois, and I am here to invite you to a one-of-a-kind learning opportunity, EdTech Next, coming to you this summer, August 2nd and 3rd at the beautiful Eagle Ridge Resort and Spa in Galena, Illinois. This is going to be our first big in-person event since the COVID-19 pandemic started in March of 2020, and we couldn't be more excited about that. And we're designing it with a mission of giving teachers the idea of where we can continue to go with technology use in our classrooms. And so this conference is built around changing the way we view technology. How can we continue to move it forward? We're looking at Scott McCloud's 4 Shifts protocol and how might we include things like higher level thinking, authentic work, emerging technologies, lots of different ways that we can incorporate technology into the classroom that's different than just saying, hey, here's a digitized worksheet. So you're probably wondering who's going to be presenting at this. Well, it's going to be real educators. We've got a whole 2 days set up and designed around showcasing how real teachers are implementing these practices in their classrooms. We've got panels of educators that will be talking about the different things that they're doing with their kids, real ways that you can then take back to your school and your students and implement them with your kids. It's going to be really fun. I'm so excited about it. The schedule is going to break down like this. We want to invite you to a Sunday night fire pit gathering. So the big thing with this is networking, meeting teachers, talking to people again. And Sunday night, we're going to kick it off with that. Totally optional, but we're going to have a fire pit on Sunday night. A s'more cart might make an appearance, so you can roast some s'mores on the fire if you'd like. But then the learnings takes place on Monday. So Monday morning from 8 to 12, we're going to have our first sessions. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Great panels, great speakers, great learning is going to take place. But it's only going to be from 8 to 12. So you might be thinking, well, what do we do with the rest of the day? Well, we'll have breakfast and lunch provided. And then the afternoon is where we want to make this activity really fun. We are bringing in different opportunities for the people that attend this to participate in some really exciting ways to just kind of get back into the flow of things. We're going to be offering a shuttle to downtown Galena. If you want to go downtown, shop a little bit, hang out at the restaurants, the shops, whatever you want to do, we're offering a shuttle service down there. And then we're offering some outdoor activities as well. You can go hiking with some LTC staff members. You can go zip lining, which is super exciting. There'll be a shuttle to a zip lining course. There's also a shuttle to horseback riding. So if you want to go out horseback riding for a couple of hours, we're offering that opportunity as well. And then Eagle Ridge is most known for its golf courses. And so we'll be hosting an LTC golf outing Monday afternoon as well. 4-person scramble. If you don't have a team, don't worry. We'll hook you up with some people. You'll get to know them. It'll be a lot of fun. And then we'll all come back Monday night for dinner. We're going to be having the grill going at the resort, and we'll be on the Eagle Point balcony or Eagle Point patio that's overlooking Lake Galena, and having dinner that's also included in your registration cost. It's going to be an amazing day. And then Tuesday, we'll do it all again from 8 to 12 with some more great sessions and great opportunities to hear how teachers are using technology in their classroom. And then we'll cut everybody loose for the day, and you can enjoy Galena or return back home. We invite you to stay the night up there at the resort. The resort's beautiful, and we really encourage you to be a part of all of our activities that we're going to do. So I'm sure what you're asking yourself is, what's this going to cost? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's only going to cost $100 plus whatever your resort stay would be as well for the hotel nights. But those are even at a discounted rate if you use the room block that the LTC has. We're really excited about it. So I hope to see you in Galena on August 2nd and 3rd. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and you can register at ltcillinois.org. Underneath of the events page, look for EdTech Next. And again, hope to see you in a couple of months.